Alright guys, wanted to show you real quick of what I found in this oil pan. No, not the oil pump. I took that off, got the new one installed. What I found was this. Actually, there's a better piece here. Little tiny chunks. These are this is plastic. And the only thing I can think of, I haven't looked it up yet, but I'm pretty sure, because the 302 that I have in the 66, when I took that engine apart, the camshaft gear was plastic, which I thought was very odd. And this has been in there for a while, because as you can see, there's a chunk right there, and it's just stuck in there. So this has been in there for a while. And I also thought it was kind of strange because I did find little bits of plastic in here, in the galley, which I thought was really strange. So I was like, what's plastic doing in here? So I went ahead and I decided to go ahead and take the whole front of the motor off. Because if that plastic gear exploded, and I was the one that did it, although I don't think it was, then we might as well replace the gear. But it's been replaced with a metal one. So I don't know. I don't know if this motor's got 33,000 miles on it or not. I don't know. I mean, I'm thinking no now, because look how loose that chain is. That's really loose. I mean, I could probably take that off. Yep. That's freaking loose. So, I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. There's the new oil pump. But, got to get a new timing gear. And spring. Well, chain. Set that back on there like that. It's out of time now. So, the wonderful world of cars. So, get online, get me a timing set. So I'm actually glad I tore this apart. I'm glad the plastic was in there, which kind of told me to tear it apart, because when I had the oil pan off and everything was still up here, I was able to stick my hand up here and feel how loose that was. And as soon as I felt how loose that was, I mean, I was instantly thinking, I'm like, yeah, I'm taking that apart, because it might have. It's very possible that gear exploded in there, but, you know, I started thinking, I'm like, well, how is it running? It couldn't have been running if it was blown out like that, because that freaking thing blew. You know, so I mean, who knows who did it? You know, I mean, if it was warranty work, I mean, I bought the engine rebuild gasket kit for it, so I didn't care. Give the motor a nice little paint job too. So I don't know if it was warranty work. If it was warranty work and that thing exploded that freaking quick, that early, and it was warranty work, yeah, I could see them only replacing that gear and putting the old chain back on. But that amount of stretch for 32,000 miles, I don't think so. I think this car rolled over. But, you know, it is what it is. You know, I mean, you can hope. You can always speculate. Don't know. But seeing that and seeing that explosion in there and all those little bits of plastic, I mean, one of them was even, yeah, you can almost still see it. See it somewhat caught. Piece of plastic's caught in that screen. I mean, it's really weird. They wouldn't have cleaned that up, and they just left it in there. That stuff had to have been in there freaking so long. You know, who knows what it could have done. I mean, it's plastic, it's not metal, so I guess that's a good thing, but damn. I mean, it was kind of a pain getting the oil pan out. I had to kind of loosen up the sway bar, and I had to take the motor mounts out and actually jack the motor up so I can get that out. But alright guys, just wanted a quick video. Show you what's going on with the 390. It is a 390. The actual numbers, which I looked up last night, they're right there, the casting. And then this tag. Not that it really means anything, but probably ain't going to see anything because of this stupid camera. But anyway, 390, 67, 6M, 311A. So, and from what I read, 352 is stamped on 390 engines, I guess. Okay. But that plastic, I mean, you're going to build a monster motor like this. I mean, it's a 390. And you're going to put a plastic freaking... You're going to put a plastic sprocket in there? Come on. Come on, Ford. Talking 1967. You know, I mean... 1967, you couldn't have put a metal sprocket in there. I mean, you were obviously trying to save money. That had to have been it. Because you can't sit there and tell me, well, we were trying to save on weight. Yeah, sure. This big ass car, you're trying to save a couple ounces. Come on. You were trying to save money. And it was back there where nobody could freaking see. Shame on you, Ford. Okay. Take it easy, guys. Peace.